In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a meeting transcript into a clear to-do list with Microsoft Copilot. By the end, you'll have a fast, repeatable way to turn those long meeting notes into actionable tasks you can actually manage and share. First, open Microsoft Copilot. You can head to the Copilot website in your browser or launch the Copilot app on your Windows PC. Sign in with your Microsoft account so your session is connected to the tools you already use. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one tied to your work so Copilot can better align with your projects. Once you're in, open a fresh Copilot session. Look for New Chat or Start New Task. This gives Copilot a clean slate and helps it focus only on the meeting you're working with, which keeps your results tidy and relevant. Next, bring in your meeting transcript. Copy the transcript from Teams, Zoom, or wherever it lives, and paste it directly into the Copilot chat box. If your transcript is very long, you can paste it in sections and briefly note where each part begins and ends. Clear chronological text helps Copilot identify who promised to do what. Now, ask Copilot to generate the to-do list. A straightforward prompt works great, like, create a to-do list from this meeting transcript. Or, be more specific. Extract all action items from this transcript and organize them by priority. You can also mention labels like high, medium, and low, or request brief descriptions to add context to each task. By the way, if you need Copilot, I've placed the official website link and the Windows app download link right at the top of the description so you can get to it quickly. Copilot will return a structured list based on your transcript. Take a moment to review it. Check that action items are correctly captured, that the wording is clear, and that nothing important is missing. If you spot gaps, ask Copilot to refine the list, merge duplicates, or clarify vague items. When you're happy, copy or export the list into your preferred tool. Microsoft To Do is great for tracking and reminders. Excel works well for sorting and filtering, and Word is ideal if you're sharing a quick summary. Save it and share it with your team so everyone is aligned. For future meetings, repeat the same flow with new transcripts. Ask Copilot to prioritize tasks, add suggested deadlines, or assign items to team roles. Using consistent prompts each time will make your lists uniform and easier to manage across projects. That's it. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the links at the top of the description, and thanks for watching.